Hello everybody, this is Alex from China. We are the manufacturer of hologram fans. So, this product you see is a hologram fan. It's made from 4-blade LED strip and with a motor. So when it's rotating very fast, the photo and the video come out. It's just like advertising players. So many people will be attracted by its hologram display effect because when you look through the fan, you will see what's it behind. So many people will stay and look what's it inside. So you can see many sizes. This is 20 cm diameter, 52 cm diameter, and 65 diameter. This one can be used for synchronized hologram video walls. You can make a very big size, just like a normal panel wall, something like that. Okay, so if you wanted to order the products, please visit my website. Okay.